Java features, different features of Java. One is it is simple. Second one it is
Secure,
secure,
secure, portable,
Platform
portable.
independent,
multi-threading,
It is platform,
independent,
platform independent, platform independent. Then
Garbage
multi-threading,
collectors.
multi-threaded. Any other?
Garbage collectors.
Garbage collector,
OOPS concept,
high performance, and any other? Simple, secure, portable,
Robust, sir.
platform independent, multi-threaded, high performance,
Reliable.
robust.
Robust.
OOPS
Any
sir,
other? Huh? Oops. It is object-oriented programming language.
Extensible language.
What is that?
Extensible.
Okay, that is extensible. And any other?
Garbage collectors.
Garbage collector. Any other? Dynamic, you guys know dynamic? Dynamic, guys. Any other? These are the features of Java. Simple, secure, portable, platform independent, multi-threaded, high performance, robust and hoops, architectural neutral, and dynamic. Guys, got it? These are the main features. Or you can say exception handling, you can say, if you want to say, because exception mechanisms are there. If suppose if something is going wrong, we'll handle exceptions and we'll give the graceful termination, right? We can say exception handling and lot of things you can say. But these are some of the main features of Java. Now these questions they won't ask you in the interview. Suppose now I think I didn't ask any questions, but still you are able to answer these questions, right? What are the features of Java? Everyone able to answer. Then whenever everyone is able to answer, these questions, they won't ask you in the interview, right? These questions are not important. They won't ask you what are the features of Java. If they ask also, it is very easy to answer for you. That is the reason. Just we'll go by one. Java features first is simple. Why Java people say it is simple? Because as we were thinking Java is very difficult. Compared to some other programming language, we used to think Java is too difficult. But Java people are telling it is simple. Why Java people are telling it is simple? Guys, anyone can any idea why Java is simple? They are telling. But for us, we are feeling as difficult. But Java people are telling it is very simple. What is the reason? Why
So,
Java guys are telling Java is very simple?
because of its
Simplicity.
syntax.
Because of syntax.
Syntax.
Now, because of syntax, who is telling this answer?
Harry, sir.
Very good, man. See, you are telling because of syntax, it is simple. Now, see this. As because you already know about Java, that is the reason you are able to tell what is simple. Now, if I tell you something like this, if I write like this, class, suppose test class, I will write class name as test class. Now, I am writing again. If you want to print anything, how to print? If you want to print anything in Java, this
Yes,
is
sir.
a standard approach which you have to follow to print anything, right? This is a standard
Main method is,
architecture.
sir.
Without main method, you cannot print anything, right? Execution of the program will start from main method only.
Yes, sir.
And system dot out dot println. Now these many things. Is it possible, Hari, to you to tell about these many what all things are there here? Now, as you have completed training, that is the reason you can able to answer. But whoever is
Yes, sir.
doesn't know anything about Java, how they have to know these things? What is system they have to know? Java people has written system dot out dot println. Without knowing anything about Java, then how you what is out? What is out here? If you don't know anything about Java, what is out? What is println? What is public? What is static? What is these are things you don't know. But still, you are the Java people are telling it as
yes,
simple only. To print hello IQ school, we have written how many lines of code here? To print hello, how many lines you have written here? One line, two lines, three lines, four lines, five lines, 6, 7 lines you have written to say hello IQ school. To say hello IQ school you have written 7 lines. Suppose if you know Python programming language, in Python programming language how to say hello? In Python, print
Print hello.
hello IQ school. This which is simple here.
Python is simple.
Then Ari is telling Java is simple. You are telling Python is simple. Which is
Based on
simple now?
Java, we have to say Java is simple, sir.
See
As
here.
we compare to Java, Python,
No, why Java people are telling it is simple? The reason is, guys, no, the reason is why Java people are telling it is simple. Now you guys know C language. Did you hear this C language? C++, C language, C programming language. You guys know, right? Actually, Java programming language is developed on top of which language?
C and C++.
Java programming language has developed on top of C programming language. Now, I think in this class, everyone has completed already training, right? Everyone has completed training from this class. Whoever is attending for this class, everyone has completed already training, right? See, that is the reason now if I tell something, then it is easy for you. Same way, this Java programming language is developed on top of C programming language. And also Java programming language, someone is saying object-oriented programming language. Is Java, this OOPS concept is came into picture in Java only, or is there any other programming language already is built? OOPS concept, you guys know C++, right? C++. C++ is what? C++ is both procedural-oriented programming language and also object-oriented programming language. Guys, you are able to understand my class, right? Java is developed on top of the C programming language, and also Java is OOPS, object-oriented programming language. You are telling. If you are telling Java is an object-oriented programming language, this object programming language already implemented in C++. C++ is both procedural-oriented programming language and also object-oriented programming language. Already we know, if you know anything, as because Java is developed on top of C programming language, and also this OOPS concept already implemented in C++. Then when it comes to Java programming language, someone knows C and someone knows C++, then very easy, right? Java is very easy. Yes, because you are able to understand my class, because already you attend for the class. That is the reason you are feeling as simple. Same way in Java people mindset, they were thinking this Java programming language is developed on top of C programming language. And also already this OOPS concept, object-oriented programming principles already implemented in C++. That is the reason if you know C and if you know C++, Java programming language is very easy. That is the reason, one of the reason to say Java is simple. That is done. That is the reason Java people are telling Java programming language is simple. One more reason will just go through one more reason. Now guys, you guys know one more point why to say Java is simple. One more thing, guys. Anyone knows about C++? Anyone knows anything about C++? And just an example, in Java programming language, who is creating an object? In Java, who is creating an object? In Java programming language, who is creating an object? Guys, please respond. In Java, who is creating an object? In Java programming language, who is creating an object?
Programmers.
Programmer is creating. Programmer has to create an object. How to create an object? By using new keyword you have to create. And who is removing the object? Who is removing the object in Java?
garbage. If you are not pass any, if you pass null values or if you not pass anything, it will automatically garbage collector will delete the things.
The reason is, as a programmer, we create an object. As a programmer, we won't remove an object. In Java, that is one of the benefit. Someone are telling in the features of Java, Java has garbage collector. But it is not there in C++. It's not there in C programming language, right? The reason is, if you are not using any object, if that object is unreachable, if that object is referred to null, if no use of that object in any of the application, automatically garbage collector will remove that object. That is the reason, as a Java programmer, we are not removing the object, we are only creating an object. Got it? Got it. Suppose now without I'm not asking any difficult question. Now I am doing interview. I am not asking difficult questions. I am asking very simple questions. The questions which you know. If I am not asking difficult question, you feel as it is simple, right? Same way here, as a programmer, we are creating an object. But removing of an object, as a programmer, you won't concentrate. For removing object, garbage collector will take care, right? Half of the work, get minimized for the programmer. That is the reason we can say Java is simple. That is one more thing to say Java is simple. One more thing, guys. Java is simple because of one more reason. If you know C++, in C++ we have pointers concept. Pointers means one object will refer to another object, that object will refer to another object, that object will refer to, these many pointers are there. Actually in C++ programming language we used to have the concept of called what? Pointers concept. This pointers concept has removed in the, this pointer concept is not there in Java. That is the difficult part in C++. Pointers concept is the confusion part for the programmers. We don't know which object is referred to another object. Multiple, suppose you have 1000 objects, which object has the connection, which object is referring to which object. That is a confusion situation in the remaining programming language. That is the reason that confusion part they are not keeping in Java. That is the reason Java is simple. That means pointers concept is not there in Java. That is the reason Java is simple. Got it, guys? Pointers concept is not there in where? In Java. That is the reason it is simple. That is the reason simple. Got it? Pointers concept is not there here. Object is removing by whom? By garbage collector. GC. Object is removed by garbage collector. Now, why it is simple? One more thing. Now, suppose even you don't know anything about Java, right? You don't know anything about Java. Now I am asking. I think I will ask some guy, X guy. I will ask just Vijay. I will ask you. Vijay, if you see this program, this is Java program, Vijay. You don't know anything about Java program, right? You don't know anything about Java program. If I ask you to read this program, what is this? What is this?
Class.
What is this?
Test.
Test. This is public. This is static. This is void. Even you don't know anything about Java programming language, but you are able to read this program, right? You are able to read
Yes.
this program. Even without knowing, you can, if I ask you to write, if I tell you write class, you will write class. If I ask you to write test, you will write. This programming language, Java programming language has written in English language, right? If you
Yes.
write any program in Java, this is the English code. We don't have any special Chinese language or we don't have any Japanese language here. This is a language, English language. English language is a generic language, right? And universal language. English is a universal language or generic language. That is the reason, even it is, if it is, if you write somewhere in, now this language you can able to read. Now one more thing I will tell you, what is this to read someone. I will ask you to read someone. What is this meaning of this? You guys, Ari, can you tell me what is this? Numbers, but these numbers are otherwise I will write one more thing. I will write, what is the meaning for this one? 9119. What is the meaning for this? Huh? What is this? What is the meaning for this?
The integer type number.
This is number, but it has some meaning. This, it has one meaning. You can able to read this number 9119 you can say, but internally it has one meaning. What is that meaning? I think no one able to answer. Just I will write this. You see this. Now you see this. What is this, guys? What is this? What is this? Guys, what is this? Quickly. Whatever I have highlighted. What is this?
Indian
IAS means you guys know
Indian
because
Administrative Service.
correct, good. I have written in
I
English.
know.
That is the reason you are able to tell what it is, right? I have written English because you know English, right? The meaning for each word you know. IAS. And if you decode this, this is 911 number. If you decode this, what is the number in ABCDs? What is the number for I in ABCDs? In ABCDs, what is the number for 9?
I.
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 And one means what?
Yeah.
Yeah. And 9 means what? 19.
Yes.
Yes, I guess. But you were not able to read this, but you were not able to tell this answer. If I tell 9009, you didn't tell IAS. But now if I tell IAS, if I write IAS, you can able to tell it is IAS. Same thing, English is the language which you can able to understand as a human being, right? That is the reason Java people are telling it is simple. Now, it is high-level language. High-level language means it is English language. High-level language is the English language. This is a universal language. Java program we are writing in English language. This is the universal language. That is the reason Java is simple. They didn't write like this. They have not written like this. They have written like this. That is the reason it is simple. High-level language. One more thing. Now, if I ask you, you guys know method of overloading? Method of overloading you know, right? But operator overloading is not there. Operator overloading is not there in Java. That is also difficult part, confusing part. Whichever is difficult, Java people has removed. Operator overloading is not there. Now, operator overloading concept is not there. Operator overloading is not there in Java. That is the reason it is simple. One more thing I will ask you guys. Java is pass by value or pass by reference? Java is pass by value or pass by reference?
Pass by value.
Java is supporting for pass by value. Java is not pass by reference. Guys got it? Because of these features, Java is simple. Guys, everyone got it? I think you didn't get this much time in any of your previous training centers to explain about simple. Java is simple because of these many things. Guys got it? Java is simple because of these many things. Now if interviewer is asking, in interview if they are asking why Java is simple, then what all things you have to tell? Why Java is simple? Anyone? Quickly, can you repeat again? Anyone? One guy who has understood very nicely. Now instead of explaining this much story, if they are asking in the interview why Java is simple because of they have written on top of the C programming language. If someone knows C, then Java is very easy. Java is supporting for object-oriented programming language. As you are not newly learning this object-oriented programming language, this is already implemented in C++. That is the reason Java is simple. That is one point to say Java is simple. One more thing, in Java, as a programmer, we create an object. But as a programmer, we won't remove an object. That work is taken care by someone. That is GC, garbage collector. Then half of the work it is getting minimized for Java program. Then we can say it is easy, or you can say simple. Pointer concept in C++ or C programming language, it is a confusion part. That is the reason in Java programming language they have removed. Whatever difficulty is there, that if it is removed, then you can automatically say it is simple. And also to write Java program, to read Java program, we are not using some other programming language. We know already one generic language or universal programming language. That programming language is English language. That is the reason Java is simple. And also operator overloading concept is not there in Java. That is the reason Java is simple. And also Java is not supporting for pass by reference. Java is supporting for pass by value. Because of these many things, Java is very simple. Guys, anyone? Now you highlight these things. You tell me why Java is simple. Anyone? Java is simple because of what reason, guys? Guys, quickly. And this is not training center, guys. Again, it is not training center. You have to know the knowledge. You must answer the each question whichever I am asking, so that it is very easy. Then only we can able to get the job. That is the reason, guys. If you are not understanding, tell me. I will repeat multiple times. Even multiple times, 10 times. If you ask me to repeat, I will repeat till getting the knowledge. But end of the class, you have to know the answer, guys. Please tell me why Java is simple. Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Anyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am Hari.
Hari, tell me. Tell Hari.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Hari, tell me.
Yes, sir. Java
You,
is a
you, you
simple.
tell me what
Sir,
all feature. I won't ask you in detail things, high level things to explain. Yeah, carry on.
simple because of its advance of C and C++. Those who know C and C++, Java is very easy to them. And apart from that, Java is a object is removed by the garbage collector. So if you create an object, if you don't give a value or if you put it as a null,
Okay, good.
pointer concept is not there in the Java, sir, because the issues it will be and a high level language, sir. Java is because we everyone know the English language, sir. It is a international language, so it is by in high level language.
Pass by value. Good. Really appreciating Hari. Really. Yeah, see, guys. I will promise for Hari is within whatever is asking for me, it's fine. If he's asking to get in a week, I will get him. This is the way everyone has to get in. As you know, Hari also is the first student who is joining for today's class. He is not a older student. Today only he joined for our class. Really, everyone should be like Hari only. Because as you know, I should not repeat these many times. If you know the knowledge, I will make you to get job within 1 month. We will promise you, guys. We will promise you to. I will get you the job. Even if you face some amount, no one will help you to get the job. That is the reason I will help you everyone to get job. Even I am not asking right any other. I am explaining the question, then I am asking answer. The reason why I am asking the answer is you have to answer in the interview. Again, I will help. I will have to help you in the getting the job. That is the reason. If you know this answer immediately, if anyone is asking, even 20 years of experience guy also asking, we can answer this question. Even go and ask 20 years of experience guy, he won't tell these many 6 answers why Java is simple. Almost, if you see my screen, 23 minutes we have discussed about only why Java is simple. That is the reason, guys. Even I don't need everything internal part why it is simple. At least whatever I have written, everyone have to answer now. And everyone, if you guys are not telling, I will ask you. I will call with the names. I will ask you why Java is simple. Anyone, guys, can you please take as a proactive and give the answer why Java is simple? Anyone? Quickly, guys.
Java is the simple. Java is a
Good.
simple because of it is the advantage of a C++. It is a high level
Not
programming
advantage
language.
of a C++,
It,
madam. It is developed on top of C and C++ programming language.
okay.
Java
Object is
programming is the
removing by
in other programming language as a
ob-
programmer has to remove the object. Programmer has to create object in C++ and programmer has to remove the object. But when it comes to Java programming language, programmer won't remove object. Java only or JVM only will take care about removing the object. In JVM, what is there to remove? Garbage collector. And one more, yeah, good. That is also good. You try to answer and go for remaining. Go for remaining, madam, quickly. We'll have to go for next chapter. That is the reason.
Java is a high level programming language. Java is not supporting pass values. That's it, sir.
What pass
Pass
values?
value.
Pass by?
Suppo-
Huh?
pass
You
by
Java is not supporting for pass by reference. It is supporting for pass by value. Now one more you missed, I think. Java is not supporting for pointers concept. Java is not supporting for pointers concept, but because that is a difficult task. That is a confusion part. Because of that, we will get memory leaks. When you are getting memory leaks, then we cannot say that is a simple, right? That pointers concept is removed by Java. And any other repeat quickly someone quickly explain why Java is simple. Guys, quickly you complete. Guys, repeat. Otherwise, I will ask. I will call the name and I will ask you. Guys, quickly. And if you are not understanding, again I will repeat.
Java, sir, I am Kaushik. Java is simple because of its syntax, and Java is useful for three methods of use and language, and basic language, and which is understandable in
Man, what you are
coding
telling?
by
You
anyone,
ask someone
and
to repeat your answer, man. Who is telling this?
Parikshit Kumar.